REN12 is also on the REN meridian, which is energy pathway travel through the umbilicus. This point is on the is halfway between the belly button and the junction where the ribs come together. And the points can harmonize the digestive or the GI system. This point also can boost the energy flow, and it can resolve the dampness, which we said it can get rid of the excessive water inside the body. And actually, or according to TCM, some patients suffer from the weight gain, like the obesity, the patient. We also can treat it from the dampness. So that's why if you get rid of, sometimes when you go to the gym and you work a lot, you sweat a lot, then you weight yourself. You say, oh, I got 1 pound less. Usually we say it's because you sweat, you have less water. So if we get rid of those dampness, excess water from the body, by strengthening your digestive system, then it can help. High and frequent intake of the raw and cold food, it can result in water accumulation, which we call dampness. People usually like cold drinks. But according to our theory, the TCM theory, we should be very careful, especially when you see the dampness is already present, like you have some heavy sensation, you have a sticky taste, you have some loose stool, then those fatty food, cold food, even the dairy products, we should be avoid. And if you want to get something from refrigerator, it's better wait till the food reach room temperature. If you have no time to wait, then go ahead to add some ginger. Because ginger is warm, and it can balance the cold property of those food, and also can benefit your digestive system. Another point, we call the REN6, is a qi hai. So from the name to know it's a sea of the qi. So it can help the qi. And this point is like the 2 finger width below the umbilicus, directly below the umbilicus on your abdomen. And these points can be used to, we said, force the qi, boost the qi, boost the energy flow, and also can harmonize the blood. So this is one of the points, like its name, related to the qi, can benefit the qi, or we said the energy flow. So these points can treat the weakness of the internal organs. So when, for example, you have shortness of breath, and you have some palpitation, you have tightness, so we can use these points to give a treatment. Another point we just mentioned is we call the REN4. It's on one of the meridian energy pathway called the REN channel. It's like conceptive vessel. This pathway is run along the umbilicus, so from the abdomen to the chest region mostly. And the Chinese name for this one is Guanyuan. The point is located for the one hand, the 4 fingers. It's we call it 3 units, or one hand directly below the umbilicus. And the function of these points, they can fortify the essence and the qi, which is the energy flow. It also can benefit the urogenital system. So the indication we use these points is to treat the related problem or those systems, the urine system, genital system, reproductive system, and also used for the digestive problem, and also can help to treat the people has lethargy, which is tiredness. So they can nourish the blood and the fluids, and also can help certain type of the energy flow, which is the qi. And we have some points to tonify the blood, or nourish the blood. One is spleen 6. Spleen 6, the Chinese name they call it 三阴交. So the translation means 3 yin meet. But those yin is 3 meridians. Those 3 paths related to our organs, the liver, the kidney, and also the spleen. This point is located the one hand, 3 units, one hand above the tip of our medial ankle, and it's on the back side, or at the posterior border of the shin. So if you follow your tip of the ankle, you use one hand, and then on the back side of the bone. And these points can, we said, nourish the blood, and they can benefit the body fluids. It also can help the digestive system, and they can harmonize the urogenital system. It also can calm the spirit, calm the shen. So this point can help the sleep too. If you have insomnia, if you have stress, or you can use this one to help remove the excess of water from the body, which was a dampness. When the patient has heavy sensation, some patients even have some edema, the swelling feeling of the body. The urine disorder, you have some problem of the reproductive system, so we can use this point.